Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is CS Ekta Maheshwari and welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss the Condonation of Delay Scheme 2018. After almost a period of 6 months, finally on 29th December 2017, a temporary relief has been granted to the disqualified directors in the form of Condonation of Delay Scheme 2018. The Condonation of Delay Scheme 2018 is already in force from 1st January 2018 and shall remain in force up to 31st March 2018. Please note that this scheme is only applicable to all those defaulting companies which are still active in nature and not applicable to those companies whose name have been removed from the register of companies. A defaulting company is permitted to file its overdue documents which were due for filing 30th June 2017. This scheme shall only applicable to the following overdue documents. Number 1. Form for filing annual return by a company having share capital. Number 2. Form for filing balance sheet, financial statement and profit and loss account. Number 3. Form for submission of compliance certificate with the registrar. Number 4. Form for intimation for appointment of auditors. Now, let's go through the procedure under the Condonation of Delay Scheme 2018. Firstly, the TIN of the disqualified directors shall be temporarily activated till the time the scheme is in force. Now, the defaulting company shall file its all the overdue documents together with the additional fees. Now, after filing the overdue documents, the defaulting company shall file Form E-CODS 2018, which is attached to the scheme together with the fees of Rs 30,000. The E-Form CODS 2018 will be available from 20th February 2018 or any other alternative date which shall be intimated by the Ministry later. Now, after going through the provision of Condonation of Delay Scheme 2018, two questions arises. Firstly, what happened to the directors of the defaulting companies who have not availed the scheme? In that case, the registrar shall take the necessary actions under the Companies Act against the companies who have not availed themselves of the scheme and continue to be in default in filing the overdue documents. Secondly, what would happen to the pending prosecution in respect of the documents which can be filed under the scheme? In that case, the concerned registrar shall withdraw the prosecutions which is pending before the concerned courts for all the documents which can be filed under the scheme. Friends, I hope this video is useful for your professional career. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.